This is the awesome little creek. This is actually a side branch of the main creek of Caribou Creek, which is right next to our cabin. It's a great little place to come and hang out. This doesn't even looks like fairy tale landscape here. Back to our little cabin. And of course, we have these most amazing views of mountains all around us. And the mist is starting to roll in. And again, out there looking at the Wrangell St. Elias Mountains, which this is barely scratching the surface of the beauty and just massiveness of these mountains.